Have you ever wondered why some people seem to master money effortlessly while others struggle? The difference lies in key money management skills. Today, let's unlock the secrets to managing your finances like a pro. Michael Finke, a leading financial expert and professor, specializes in behavioral finance and personal wealth management. His book, Money Management Skills, is a comprehensive guide designed to equip readers with the tools to achieve financial security and overcome the emotional barriers to smart financial decisions. And today, stay with me as I'm going to break down the most important lessons of this book. Lesson 1: Budgeting, the foundation of financial success. Budgeting is a vital skill for managing money effectively. Finke highlights the importance of understanding your cash flow by tracking income and expenses. He introduces the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Tools like spreadsheets or apps can help you monitor spending and identify unnecessary expenses. Budgeting provides clarity and ensures that financial goals remain achievable. Lesson 2: Credit and Debt Management. Credit is a double-edged sword. It can help build wealth or lead to financial ruin if misused. Finke explains the factors affecting credit scores, such as payment history and credit utilization, and how these scores impact loan eligibility and interest rates. When managing debt, it suggests strategies like the debt snowball method, paying smaller debts first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche method, prioritizing high-interest debts for long-term savings. Avoid carrying credit card balances to prevent excessive interest payments. Before we dive into the next transformational lessons, take a moment to like this video. It motivates us to create even more content that helps you achieve your dreams. Lesson 3 is Smart Investing, Building Wealth. Investing is a key pathway to financial independence. Finke outlines the importance of starting early to take advantage of compound interest, where earnings generate additional earnings over time. Diversification, spreading investments across different asset classes, reduces risk. He advises against emotional investing and market timing, emphasizing a long-term strategy. Index funds are a recommended choice for their low costs and consistent returns. Lesson 4: Retirement Planning, Securing Your Future. Planning for retirement requires foresight and discipline. Finke stresses the value of contributing to employer-sponsored and individual retirement accounts. Start saving early to benefit from compounding and choose tax-advantaged accounts to minimize the tax burden. Estimate future expenses to set realistic retirement savings goals. Lesson 5: Understanding Behavioral Basis. Human behavior often undermines good financial decisions. Finke discusses bases such as loss aversion, fear of losing money, and overconfidence, misjudging financial expertise. These bases can lead to impulsive decisions like panic selling during market downturns. Automating financial actions, such as regular savings or investments, helps bypass emotional pitfalls. Lesson 6: Tax Efficiency. Taxes significantly impact wealth growth. Finke advises using tax-advantaged accounts like health savings accounts, HSAs, and savings plans 529s. Understand capital gains taxes and seek professional advice for complex situations. Proper tax planning maximizes net returns and accelerates wealth accumulation. Lesson 7. Insurance Managing Risk. Insurance provides financial protection against unexpected events. Finke explains how to evaluate policies for health, life, property, and disability coverage. Avoid over-insuring, but ensure you have enough to protect against significant risks. For example, life insurance is critical for families with dependents. Lesson 8. Real Estate Investments. Real estate can be a rewarding investment, offering both appreciation and income. Finke advises evaluating property values and rental yields before buying. He warns of the risks including market downturns and high maintenance costs. Real estate should complement other investments as part of a diversified portfolio. Lesson 9. Estate Planning. Wealth transfer is a crucial aspect of financial planning. Finke highlights the importance of having a will, setting up trusts if needed, and considering tax implications for years. Estate planning ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Lesson 10. The Psychology of Spending. Emotions and habits often drive spending. Finke explains how advertising and social pressure encourage excessive consumption. Focus on buying experiences rather than material possessions to maximize happiness. Setting spending limits and tracking habits can help control impulsive purchases. Lesson 11. Building a financial safety net. An emergency fund is a cornerstone of financial security. Finke recommends saving 3 to 6 months' expenses to cover unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. This fund prevents resilience on credit during tough times. Lesson 12. Achieving Financial Independence. Financial independence comes from consistent saving, disciplined investing, and minimizing unnecessary expenses. Finke encourages adopting a long-term mindset and celebrating milestones along the way. The FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early movement is an inspiring framework for those aiming for early retirement. And let us know in the comments which of these lessons do you think will have the biggest impact on your life. Your thoughts could inspire someone else. Fortunately, we have finished the 12 most important lessons of this book, and you know, knowledge without action is nothing. And now, let's learn some action plans that you can apply immediately to your life. Number 1. Create a realistic budget. Track income and expenses for 1 month. Apply the 50-30-20 rule to allocate funds effectively. Use budgeting tools or apps for continuous monitoring. Number 2. Improve credit and manage debt. Pay bills on time to maintain a good credit score. Use the debt avalanche method to tackle high-interest debt first, or the snowball method for quicker wins. Avoid using credit cards for non-essential purchases. Number 3. Start investing immediately. Open a retirement account such as a 401 or IRA. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs to diversify. Set up automatic contributions to build wealth over time. Number 4. Plan for retirement. Estimate future retirement needs using online calculators. Maximize employer matching contributions in retirement accounts. Regularly review your retirement portfolio and rebalance as needed. Number 5. Automate good financial habits. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investments. Use spending alerts to prevent overspending. Commit to a monthly financial review. Number 6. Optimize tax strategies. Contribute to tax advantage accounts like HSAs and 529 plans. Keep records of deductions and seek professional advice for complex taxes. Reinvest tax refunds into savings or debt repayment. Number 7. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 months of expenses in high-yield savings account. Replenish the fund whenever it's used. Number 8. Protect your wealth. Review insurance policies annually to ensure adequate coverage. Focus on essential policies, health, life, and disability insurance. Avoid unnecessary insurance add-ons. Number 9. Plan your estate. Draft a will and update it periodically. Consider setting up a trust for significant assets. Discuss estate plans with family to avoid disputes. Number 10. Control spending. Identify emotional triggers that lead to overspending. Shift focus from material possessions to meaningful experiences. Set monthly spending limits for discretionary expenses. And finally, number 11. Monitor progress. Review financial goals every 6 months. Adjust strategies based on life changes or financial progress. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated.